In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, your incoming deals will land with the right person automatically, saving time and ensuring faster follow-ups. Start inside your Pipedrive account. Look to the left-hand sidebar and find the 3 dots icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click it to open the extended options. From that list, choose Automatic Assignment. This takes you to the area where you set up and manage all your routing rules. At the top left, click the Add Rule button. Pipedrive will ask what type of item the rule should target. Select Deal. This tells Pipedrive you want the rule to act on deals specifically, not people, organizations, or other records. Next, you'll define the assignment conditions. Think of conditions as filters that describe which deals should be routed by this rule. You can narrow by fields like pipeline, stage, deal value, labels, source, territory, or any relevant custom fields your team relies on. Keep the conditions clear and specific so the right deals are captured, broad enough to be useful, but not so wide that unrelated deals get scooped up. If you're unsure, start with a simple condition, like a particular pipeline or label, and refine it later as you see results. With the conditions set, choose the assignee who should receive these deals when they match. This will be the deal owner Pipedrive applies automatically. Select the appropriate user from your team. If you don't see someone you expect, they may need access or the correct permissions in your account. So make sure the intended assignee is active and available in your user list. Click. Next, to finalize the rule details. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so anyone on your team can understand its purpose at a glance. Add a short description to document the logic and when it should be used. Then check the box to immediately set the rule as active. That way it starts working right after you save, with no extra steps. Finally, click Save and you're all set. From now on, whenever a deal meets the conditions you defined, Pipedrive will automatically assign it to the chosen person. This keeps your pipeline organized, reduces manual work, and helps your team respond faster. If you ever need to adjust the logic, come back to Automatic Assignment, edit the rule, and save your changes. And if your process evolves, create additional focused rules rather than overloading one rule with too many conditions. That's it. Your deals are auto-assigning in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother handoffs in your sales pipeline.